Kelly, owner of Budget Blinds of Northwest Rochester. Welcome to our showroom. I often get asked what the newest items are for sliding glass doors. One of the great items we do a lot of lately is this. It's a panel track. These individual panels can be made out of woven wood fabrics or out of roller shade fabrics, and they just slide easily one behind the other on your sliding glass door. Close for privacy, open when you want to let the light in. You can also do it with a valance or a cornice over the top. Now let me show you over here one of our newest items. This is called the Smart Drape from Norman Window Fashions. This is a vertical treatment. You can see there's a sheer view. You can tilt it to give you a closed privacy view. You can also slide it back and forth. And what's really great about these panels is they're individual panels, so you can break through individually. These can even be taken down, removed, thrown in the washing machine to wash and rehang. Perfect solution for a busy sliding glass door.